First of all, I would like to express that it is not the congratulatory moment for me. Only it is the congratulatory moment for the entire nation, and it is not only my victory, it is victory of Pakistan and every Pakistani.
Yes.
And secondly, you asked about the book, The Mirage, The Sea of Mirage in the Eye of Water. That is actually written in Urdu. That is my poetical testament, which name is in Urdu, Behre Sarab Dar Chashme Aab. And it has been translated into English, and the English version name is The Sea of Mirage in the Eye of Water. The book actually discusses a vast variety of multidisciplinary orbits, and it addresses the key issues like microeconomic stability versus macroeconomic stability and different realms of socialism and democracy. And it also addresses some issues like the camel race in the Gulf. Do you know about that?
Right. Could you explain that to us a little further in
layman's terms, Professor?
Pardon?
If you could explain your research to us in simpler terms, I'm sure all the viewers who are very proud of your achievement at this moment on behalf of the country would like to know in more simplistic terms about your research for which you've been nominated.
Yes. My research orbits are concerned with, basically I am a multidisciplinary researcher, but my area of focus is upon disability-centered issues. I was the chief child retardation risk assessment project in tsunami, when the tsunami catastrophic took place in Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Sumatra, Maldives. I was the chief task executor of child retardation risk management project then. And in Pakistan, my research activities are in the multidisciplinary research and research methodology. In research methodology, we deal with longitudinal research, with cross-sectional research, with sequential research. But I am sure that all these terminology would be unlikely to most of the people
right.
there.
But of course, Dr. Hani, you are an inspirational figure, not only for us here in Pakistan, but also for many people around the world. I'm curious, I'm sure you had many peers, many contemporaries. What was that special element that you put into your work that set you apart from so many others and ended you on that list?
Your sound is little being distorted.
Right. I'm just curious, what was that special element that you put in your work that set you apart from the work of so many others, your contemporaries, your peers, and you were able to have your name on that coveted list?
Actually, the thing is that whenever you are on board to make the things from the core of the issue, because many researchers, they do research that is adaptive. That is adaptive, and they are objective oriented, and they are objective oriented in that sense, not in that broader sense, but in that sense that their objective is driven by the vested interest sponsors and that like. But if you start your research from the core of the issue, then in my belief, you would excel.
All right.
That's why I would advise the same to all the researchers in Pakistan and